Hello everyone. Today we are looking at our science lesson, and so far in science we've looked at plants. Plants that are good for us, that we can eat. We also look at the parts of the plant that we can eat. For example, we eat the fruits of plants. A tomato is a fruit, a mango. Those are plant parts that we can eat. Some plants we cannot eat. For example, the roots of some plants are not good to eat. However, in other plants, we can eat the roots. Like cassava is a root. Do you know that? And yam is also a root that we can eat, but we can't eat all the roots of certain plants. Now, today we're going to look at what plants give us. Right? Plants give us many things. Without plants, we cannot live because we eat them and they're good for our bodies. Now, on the top corner here, you will see what we call a sugarcane plant. Now, long ago, there was sugarcane growing all around us. It looks like a big tall grass, and people would cut it down and squeeze it and make it into the sugar that we sweeten our tea and make our delicious drinks with. It came from a sugarcane plant. Yes, so the sugarcane plant gives us sugar. So here is the sugar bowl here with all the sugar in it. So sugarcane gives us sugar. Good. And then we have this grassy looking plant here. That plant is called rice. Yes, our rice grows like a grass in lots of water. So this is what it looks like. And it has to go to a factory and they have to make it into the rice that we eat and we cook. How many of you like fried rice? Yes, or brown rice and white rice, and we eat rice with lots of different things. So let's draw a line from the rice here, the rice plant, to the cooked rice. You see that? We get rice from a rice plant. Imagine that. And here we have a mango. I know lots of you love to eat mango, especially when it's in season. My favorite mango is the Julie mango and the Dudus mango. They are very sweet and tasty. But do you know that some people use mango to make jam? Yes, they make jam with mango. They have mango jam and lots of other fruits too, like guava jam and marmalade jam, so we can make our mango into jam. So you draw a line from the mango to the jar of jam. And then we have this is what we call coffee beans. Now, some parents love to drink their coffee in the morning. You are not supposed to drink coffee because you are too small. But some parents love to drink their coffee. Now, the coffee that they have in the coffee container looks like this. You see it? It's like looking like a red bean, but it's dark brown. And when it's taken to a special place called a factory, they grind it up and they make coffee. Coffee for us to put in our tea, like the instant Nescafe coffee and other kinds of coffee that you boil. And you put it and you make a cup of coffee with it. Right? So this is a cup of coffee, and we get coffee from coffee beans, right? So you see how important plants are? This is the beans of the plant or the seed. Now the planters will take this seed and put it back in the ground and they will get a coffee tree. And they will of course get some more coffee beans to make to grind into coffee or to replant. And then we have cloth. This is cloth here. Now, when you go to the store, the clothes store, you can buy clothes. Your mommies will do that or your aunties, and they can make sheets and clothes and all different kinds of things from cloth. So, from cloth, we get our clothes. So, you see, cloth also comes from a plant. Long ago, our country used to plant a lot of cotton. Cotton is a soft, woolly, white, fluffy thing that it can also grow as a plant. And they would take it again to the factory, special place where they make things, and they would turn it into cloth like this or thread. And then the cloth would be used to make clothes. Right? So this is what plants give us. Plants give us so many things. They give us clothes. Plants feed us. We can get rice. Flour also comes from a grass looking like this, like the rice. And we get drinks from plants, from the coffee bean, for example. We get sugar to sweeten our drinks, and we can even turn plants into jam. Very well. So next week, we'll be taking a look at some more things that we can use our plants for.